when I say go, please put your bottoms in your chairs. Go. By the time I count to 3, all bottoms need to be in chairs and eyes need to be on me. 1, 2, 3. You guys are awesome. Thank you. So Joseph just said, how did you talk when you were in Kenya? And I said I spoke Swahili. I also spoke English. So it was like a mixture of the two. Okay, so in Swahili, Swahili is the language that they speak. In Kenya, they speak Swahili. The word in Swahili for a journey or for a trip is called safari. A safari. So tourists, when tourists come to Kenya, or when people that visit Kenya just for fun, for a vacation, they like to go on what we call a safari. A safari is when you get in a special kind of van and you go in parks to look at all the animals. You might see giraffes, zebras, lions, elephants. Ooh, 2 pride bucks if someone can remember this. Can you have giraffes and can you have giraffes and elephants in the same park? Can you have giraffes and elephants in the same park, Nathaniel?
Because the elephants sniff their butts on the trees and it falls down on the giraffes.
Okay. So first answer my question, yes or no. Can you have giraffes and elephants in the same park? No, you cannot. Tell me why, and now I'm going to give the second part over to someone else. Why not? Why not? Why not?
Because the elephants use the trees for their bite and the giraffes eat the tree on the tree.
Very good. You cannot have giraffes and giraffes and elephants in the same park because elephants scratch their backs up on the trees and they're so big that they knock the trees over and the trees fall. But the giraffes need to eat those trees up high. So the giraffes can't eat the trees if they're knocked over from the elephants. So yeah, great question. You guys are awesome. That shows that you guys really do listen really, really well. Okay. Now, so in the word Swahili, a safari or is a journey or a trip that you go on. We think of going on a safari as getting in a special van and going into these parks to see animals. So there's a picture of me on a safari. There's a picture of me kissing a giraffe. It was beautiful. It was the best thing that's ever happened to me. I love giraffes. Okay. This is an actual picture that I took. This is an actual picture I took. So there's zebras, there's a giraffe. This is during a safari. These are all the animals that you might see. Here's some baboons. Yeah, the mama baboon is grabbing the baby baboon's tail. She doesn't want him to go anywhere. That's an elephant. So these are all possible animals that you might see on a safari or on a journey or on a trip. Now, we're going to do a class survey. We are going to do a class survey, or we're going to collect data by asking the same people, or by asking a bunch of different people the same question. We're going to ask a bunch of different people the same question. We're going to take a survey. And we're going to record. Tayshawn, please don't speak when I'm speaking. One more time. If I talk to you again, I'll have to move a clip. We're going to record that information using a tally graph. We're going to organize our data using a tally graph, or a tally chart. So, here are your choices. Giraffes, lions, zebras, or elephants. You can choose between giraffes, lions, zebras, or elephants as your favorite safari animal. You can only vote once. You can only vote once. When I say go, silently in your head, think, am I going to choose a giraffe, lion, zebra, or elephant? Go. Okay. And now, silent hand. Silent hand. If your favorite animal on safari would be a giraffe. 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And then in the frequency data chart, that would be the number 3. Silent hand, if your favorite safari animal would be a lion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that in tallies, when I get to 5, I draw my 5th slash mark through that way. It makes it easier for us to count. And now, silent hand, if your favorite safari animal would be a zebra. 1. And now, silent hand, if your favorite safari animal would be an elephant. Nobody? Okay. Okay, now, total number of people surveyed. Turn and talk to a partner for 1 minute about how you know the total number of people surveyed. Go.
Because you can just count 5.